Hey there, Julie Ulstrup, Leadership Accelerator for Women. I work with women to use proven processes and success strategies so that you can up-level your self-leadership to live your very best life, make more money, be more joyful, and be the very best you can be. So I've been thinking about what does it mean to be a female leader? And if you know me, you know that I love research, I love finding out different things about the world of women today, the world of leadership. And here's a really interesting fact. As of this year, earlier this year, I think it was in April, McKinsey came out with a report that businesses, they surveyed 2,500 businesses that had 1,000 people or more. Only 25% of those said that their employees said that they felt that their leadership was good. Leadership in the C-suite to lead others, leaders that can lead themselves, bing, 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 leaders that can lead themselves. That's huge. That's what we talk about here at Leadership Accelerator for Women. And leaders that can inspire others to live their very best life. So what we're going to talk about today is inspiration, because that is a huge part of leadership. And what it means to be a female leader is really to be able to inspire. And so I want to explore a little bit with you today who inspires you, how you're inspired, and what you can do to bring some of those things into your life and into your leadership journey. So inspiration, the word inspiration, you know I love words. Inspiration comes from the Latin inspirar, which means to breathe life into. That's inspiration. And so when I think about women who have inspired me, when I worked in the school system here in Fort Collins, there was a woman, Sandra Lunt. I don't know if she's watching, or if you know her, let her know that I mentioned her. She is such an inspirational woman. And so what I did for myself is I unpacked that, like, what was it about Sandra that really inspired me to do the very best, to lead, to communicate effectively with my contingency, with my students and my people that I served. And what is it for me then to be able to inspire others? How do I inspire others by the values that she holds? So I do have a little, I've got a breath work exercise. It's not little. If you watch yesterday's video, you can check that out and see the breath work. And that's part of inspiration, right? Breathing life into, really feeling passionate about what you're doing. And that's a huge part of leadership. It's a huge part of female leadership and what makes us powerful. Now, if you've heard me before, you know that there is a big lack of women leaders. Less than 2% of companies making over $1 million or more are led by women. Women right now make up just over 10% of CEOs in Fortune 500 companies. And like I just referenced, many other companies are lacking leadership. The people who work there, the highest levels of leadership, are not finding leaders to be inspirational. So this is a huge area of opportunity for us as women, right? There are a lot of reasons why we're not living our best lives, our highest purpose, and we can change that. We can, with these practices, this is why I'm here. This is what the Leadership Accelerator for Women is about. So obviously I'm very passionate about this. So to think about, actually, I'm going to have you, be sure to comment, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to put a link in the chat if you are interested in finding out ways that you can figure out, like, what inspires you and what inspired action can you take. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Click on the link and I will send you the step-by-step details of what to do and how how to get inspired and how to really use inspiration so in your own self-leadership journey as well as in your journey to lead others, because all leadership starts with self-leadership. So I would like to thank you for coming. Again, feel free to watch yesterday's video if you want to do some breath work to really breathe into what's powerful for you. And then click on the link below and I will send you my formula for inspiring yourself and really figuring out how you can be a more inspirational leader. Thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Take care.